In today's video, Tumi makes a long awaited return and I make a total mess in the kitchen. Look! This is all natural. See, look. Look at that. Hello everyone. Long time, long time. Ramadan Mubarak to anyone who's celebrating Ramadan, like my good self. So, you guessed it, I'm in Tumi. I'm in Tumi right now. Oh my goodness. No power steering, so manoeuvring can be a bit difficult. So, I've got this steering wheel aid put on, which I'll show you in a minute. But here we go. Oh yes. I forgot how bumpy it can be in Tumi, but hey ho, you know. Today, for the beginning of Ramadan, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go shopping. I'm going to go shopping in Tumi, and today I'm going to make my favourite. This guy's just like. So sorry about that, ladies and gents. I had this guy who literally just parked himself right in front of the exit to the road there. But anyhow, yes, so what I'm going to do today is in today's video I'm going to go and do some shopping and get some mango lassi. Let's see, a little experiment. Look at this, look at this, look. No one says thank you these days. No one. You stop at a zebra crossing and you get told by your parents, always be courteous and say thank you. But no one ever seems to say thank you these days. Well, in the vast majority of cases, look, all the way over there, that kid didn't even bother saying thank you. That motorcyclist, oh my goodness, nearly ran over the kid. Zebra crossings, oh goodness me. No, just wanted to make sure those kids weren't crossing. Have to be ultra careful, you know, with the little kiddies. But yeah, no one says thank you. So in today's episode, what I'm going to do is go shopping with Tumi and buy some basic ingredients to make one of my favourite iftar dishes, or dessert if you want to call it, a mango lassi, or a smoothie as it were. So I'm going to go get some mango pulp, get some Greek yogurt, maybe be a bit cheeky and get some sugar, and let's see, can we make the yummiest mango lassi. So I've got the all important Greek yogurt and a few other snacks and pieces. Yes, this isn't a very good diet, is it? Loads of bakery items, Madeleine cakes, oh dear. Isn't it? There's a huge queue everywhere, look. Oh dear. Gonna have to wait a bit longer. Okay, so I got my shopping, but I've only got 6 miles range left. Thankfully, it's not on reserve yet, but it is a cold old day, so I'm hoping I don't get turtle mode. Look at that. As soon as I get going, within a few meters, we're on reserve mode, and I can see the power difference, but it's okay. We're home. It's only a couple of mile or so, so no sweat. Good stuff. Let's get cooking. We've got the lineup of all the ingredients to make mango lassi. So here we've got chicken soup. No, it isn't actually. It's the salt. So I'm going to be using a teaspoon of salt, a couple of teaspoons of sugar, some milk, and mango pulp. So the mango pulp I'm using that I got is this Caesar mango. You have got the Alfonso one, but the Alfonso mango pulp is a little bit more tangy. I prefer the Caesar one because it's a little bit sweeter. So what have we got here in terms of measurements? So I'm going to be making just over 600 mils in this Nutri Ninja jug that I've got here. So I've got a few ice cubes there, but you can put as many as you like. I've got 300 mils, let me show you, of mango pulp and 200 mils of full fat whole British milk. It has to be full fat. Don't go semi-skimmed or skimmed. It's going to ruin the taste. You have to go full fat on this one. And of course, some Greek yogurt. On this one, it's going to be spoonfuls. You're looking at about 3 or 4 spoonfuls of Greek yogurt. So without further ado, let's get going. So first off is the Greek yogurt. So I'm going to put in about 4. I think I'm going to put in 6 actually. 2 heaped tablespoons, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, when you do this, make sure you put in the yogurt last, because I've made the cardinal error in that this blade is going to be at the bottom. So when it mixes, you want it to mix this thicker bit first so that it's easier. So you'll see what I mean when I have a go. Hopefully it's not too much of an issue. It shouldn't be. We'll be alright. So that's that. Next up, got the 300 mils of mango lassi. So in she goes. There you go. Going to give all of this a stir now anyway, so it doesn't really matter actually. Like I said, don't listen to me, but there you go. Okay, now the 200 mils of milk. Hey, look at that, just on the rim there. And then, so what you need to do to counteract the sweetness, you need a bit of salt. So my little chicken soup dish here. So let's have around a teaspoon, heaped teaspoon of chicken soup, salt. You can add more or less depending on taste, and then a smidgen of sugar. Not going to use too much because it's sweet enough as it is. Bit like me. There you go. Now, I'm not going to put the ice in at this stage. I'm going to give it a nice little mix because I've put the yogurt at the bottom just to help the blender. There we go. Making a bit of a mess, but don't worry. That's what fairy liquid and a sponge and all that cleaning is for. Put that to one side. Now it's going to get a bit noisy. So you flip it, put it in, and then here we go.
That scared me.
Oops, scared the kids. And there you have it. She's done. So you have a look. It's nice consistency, and what you do, you put the ice in right at the end, and you just literally do it for like a couple of seconds just to get the icicles, because you don't want it to melt in there. You want to taste the fragments of little ice when you have it. So there we go. In she goes. So I think I might have overfilled a little bit. Doesn't matter. Here we go. Milk! This is all natural. See, look. Look at that.
It's way too overflow.
Okay, so, right. I've put the ice in. Remember again, like I said, only for a couple of seconds so we get just the fragments of ice still left in there. So I hope I haven't overfilled it. Ooh, just about. Just about. Ooh. That was a bit of a close shave there. Yep, that's fine. Just got it in. Okay, so in she goes again. So literally 1, 2, 3, and that's it. That's all there is to it. And now let's have a look how she turns out. I'll get a jug and pour it in. Okay, so there you have it. Nice, simple, homemade mango lassi in minutes and for pennies. So this is exactly can you see, exactly the thickness I like, with slight fragments of ice still showing on there, just how I like it. If you want it thicker, you add more Greek yogurt into the ingredients there. And if you want it a bit more mango-y, then you put a little bit more mango puree and mango pop, sorry, and it will increase that. But the key thing with this is to make sure you counteract the sweetness and the tanginess of the yogurt with a bit of salt, and that's key for the amazing next level taste. Okay, look at that. So there you have it. My son's tasted it and I've given it a big thumbs up. Look at that. So you know it tastes good. Try it, everyone. See you later. Bye bye.